Hi, welcome to the Craft Channel. My name's Corinne Brad, and today I've got a quick and simple Halloween cracker project for you. They're just dinky little square crackers for holding little treats and sweets. You could fill a basket of them and have them out on your doorstep for trick-or-treaters instead of the normal old chocolate bars. I've made it very simple so you can get 4 crackers out of a sheet of A4 paper. Typically I'm not using A4 paper to demonstrate that, but what you want to do is you want a piece of paper that is 15 centimetres by 10.5 centimetres. So let's just trim this down to 15 without cutting my embroidery thread. And this is a nice little project for using up some of those Halloween papers that you may have got and not really known what to do with. I've had these ones. These are from, Graphic 45, I believe, yes. And I love them. I've never had a reason to use them until now. So this is your piece of A6 paper. What you want to do is you want to score the long edge at 5mm, because that's going to make your sticking flap. And then if you turn it round, and score it again at 2.5mm intervals. And then each short edge, score at 2.5 and then 1 and 1. So 2.5, 1 and 1. Oh. Fold in along your score lines. And for this tab, it's a lot easier if you flip it over and place a ruler against that fold edge and run your thumbnail under there. You'll get a completely straight tab. Sometimes when you're trying to fold a piece of paper that is that narrow, it doesn't do it right. It wiggles it. So we'll fold all of those long fold lines, and then with your short ones, you want to fold the 2.5 out and then concertina the 1 and the 1, so it sits like that. And then if you fold that in so that your centre concertina line is on the edge, and then just with scissors cut yourself notches at a 45-degree angle from the fold up to that intersection line, and flip it over and cut it in the opposite direction. So you can pull out those notches. It would also help if you actually cut your notches right up to the point, so it leaves a diamond shape on that concertina fold. Do the same with the other side. Like so. And then if you fold in your tab and just apply a fine line of tacky PVA for folding this over. And pinch it well. And then what you can do is, because you've cut those diamond shapes out, You can then grab yourself a length of embroidery thread. Tie one end up closed and tight with a neat bow. And then you can fill your tube with little miniature sweets and treats before you secure the other end. And this, you know, this easy project, there's multiple occasions that you can use this kind of cracker. So we've done these for Halloween, but you know, they're the perfect size for, do people still do sugared almonds on wedding tables? That kind of thing. Little mini Christmas crackers for the tree or for your table decoration. You could even, if you adjust the size of this, you could make them bigger and put, you know, little miniature bottles of whiskey in them or something like that if you've got a stag event or something that you're catering for. And once you've made your cracker, you can decorate it. This is with some thin black tape from Create Tapes and a little spider. This one is using the papers that you can print for free from Paper Crafter magazine. And what I will do is I'll put a link in the description to show you the folding and scoring template, and also a link to the whole Paper Crafter blog for Halloween decoration ideas, because there's some brilliant ideas on there. Keep you occupied for hours. But just very quick, very easy, and you can make 4 crackers from 1 sheet of A4 paper, so it's really cost effective. Hope you like that demo. I hope you'll come back and see us again very soon. In the meantime, keep safe, and thank you very much for watching. If you've been inspired to create, please share your makes with us in the comments section below. And if you've enjoyed videos by the Crafts channel, hit the like button. Want to see more of us? Then click subscribe. See you next time.